One last thing to consider after doing or while doing your keyword analysis is that you divide your keyword list into meaningful groups based on your products, based on your services, based on your events, based on your topics. So do classify your keywords based on a particular topic first. What I've done here, I have created a kind of template for you in order to give you an idea like how to properly group your keywords. So you can see I'm using Microsoft Excel here, and I have created 5 columns here that you can notice. Keeping 5 of my courses in mind that I offer, you can see I have column A, one column for all the keyword related to SEO, right? See the second column, I come up with different tools and brainstorming and different keyword tools. Using those, I got these ideas that the people are searching Google Ads training or Google Ads course. Um, so I combine them all here. So when it comes to the my third training, let's say Google Analytics training, I got to know that the people are searching about Google Analytics in this way, right? So I combine them all together here. So when it comes to social media courses, I realize that people are searching in different variations like that. And then when it comes to generic term like digital marketing courses, I get to know like these are the most popular searches in the UAE. So I combine them all here. By the way, this is just a keyword idea. Just I have created this Excel sheet with 5 columns. So while I'll be creating a page about my SEO training, I will try to accommodate some of these keywords into my product page, or while I'm doing my paid campaign for my SEO training course, I may consider choosing some of these keywords here. By the way, this is not a definite list. We can further explore it. We can further divide it into some more meaningful category. For example, if you notice the last 6 keywords in this column called SEO training, you can see that the people are searching about SEO certifications. SEO certifications by Google, SEO certification course, or SEO certification in 2020. So what you can do, by the way, you can create a blog post within your website focusing on the available SEO certification in 2020. And then you can talk about the certification by Google, SEO certification by HubSpot, SEO certification by Moz. So you can actually educate your people, educate your audience about that. So, but this is important that if you're having 10 products, create 10 columns here. If you're having 30 products, have 30 columns here. And each column should represent one product at a time, one service at a time, one event or one particular topic at a time, right? So I will, in the next videos, I will show you where and how you can use and accommodate these keywords while producing the content or while producing the content and while doing the paid campaigns, or if you are creating some kind of content marketing strategy. So thank you very much and bye for now.